Hey, yeah. The way I walk, look at me flex, I got a soldier. Yeah. Look at the wave, yeah, moving like I'm on the way, yeah. Yeah. Don't try me today, got a whole lot to say, yeah.
A girl only got sent some bundles for the first time from a lovely company called Rosa Hair on Aliexpress. Bitch! As you can see, I am definitely feeling myself. Thank you to the amazing Amanda who emailed me and literally followed me through this whole process. She's so lovely. They said they want to send me some bundles and I was like, yes. Let me get my summer hair while I still can. So I got some Malaysian, this is Malaysian deep wave hair in the lengths 26, 26, 24, 22. So that's 4 bundles with a 20-inch frontal. The frontal came like already tinted, like it was like brown lace, but all I did was go over a little bit with a bit of bleach just to get rid of some of the knots. And then I just used my foundation and powder to set it underneath, and I just plucked it. I just plucked it a little bit, not too much. Like I'm not like a frontal slayer kind of thing. I was just excited, so I made the wig quickly. But I think I did a decent job. I can't even lie to you. Little baby hairs because I'm extra like that. But honestly, this hair is so nice. I mean, obviously, I've only just got it, so I won't be able to say, oh, it doesn't do this and it doesn't do that. Like, as of now, like, the curls so really nice. Like, once you wet it and you let it air dry naturally, the curls stay really nice. The back is a little bit frizzy, but that's just normal when you're sweating and it's rubbing on your neck. But in terms of how the curls stay, they're really nice. And you know, sometimes when you buy curly hair, the closure of the frontal you get, sometimes the curls don't match the bundles. That's not the case with this hair. Like, it matches beautifully. It's not choppy or anything, considering I got like a 20-inch frontal and the longest length is 26. It's like a really nice curl pattern and length. Like, this is the amount of hair you want. Like, I can carry this hair. Like, you know, sometimes you see people's curly hair and it's like overpowering them. This hair is like sitting nicely on me. Do you get? So that's my little review so far. The hair is really, really affordable. I know, like, I got sent it, but like the hair was like, for this, the lengths that I got, I'm pretty sure it was like £156. Like, that is extremely affordable. So for the price, I will highly recommend that you guys go and check them out on AliExpress. They are Lace Rosa hair. I will leave a link in the description box, as well as a link of the actual like hair type and everything I got. But thank you so much once again to Lace Rosa hair for sending this to me. I really, really appreciate it. So aside from that, I'm doing like a nice summer slay makeup tutorial. This is the same makeup I did in my last video, which was a Pretty Little Thing haul. It's just that I didn't like the makeup video that I filmed for it, so I decided to just redo it with this hair and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I talk through the eyeshadow but speed through the rest, just because you guys know my foundation routine. Yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'm gonna take LA Girl Cool Tan. I'm gonna put that all over my eyelids. Just want to set your eyelids with a translucent powder. Now that our eyelids are set, I'm going to be working out of the Juvias Place Zulu palette. Ooh, holographic. I love it. I'm obsessed with Juvias Place now, like, honestly. And I'm going to be using these 2 main shades and probably a little bit of the orange, but these are the 2 that I'm going to be really using. Basically, you just need a nice pink, a really shimmery like pink but gold toned eyeshadow, and then you need an orange. Any kind of light eyeshadow that you have, just put as your transition first, just to set your brow bone. Oh, if you can hear my fan, it's on, sorry, it's because it's bloody hot and I don't want to sweat in here. So just use that as like a little very light transition shades first. So the first shade I'm going to use is, and I'm just gonna put that all over my crease as usual, guys. So that's the orange. I'm literally not gonna use any more than that, really. Just go back in with the light peach transition shades to blend out the edges and so that it's not harsh. I'm actually going to use this pink first, and I'm going to take a brush and kind of pat it into my crease like this, just like pat it, and then you can blend it afterwards. The brush that you use the orange with and blend out the edge of that pink. Continue to blend in the pink, and now you can start to use like circular motions because you've already put the first layer. We're gonna literally go straight into the lid shade. There's nothing else to do to the crease, like cutting no crease or anything. They're gonna be using this pink shade, like I said, and then we're probably gonna use a gold on top, just so that it's brighter. So I'm gonna take a flat shader brush and I'm gonna spray it. You need to spray your brush with fixing spray, setting spray, so that the eyeshadow is really pigmented. It is such a pretty color, like it's like pink but gold. So just spray it. I'm using my Badescu spray. Just start patting it on your lids, and not in any like particular. It just pat it on. And I'm also gonna take a little bit of my Laura Geller highlighter, which is like a champagne gold. I'm also gonna put that right in the center only, almost like a spotlight. Oh, and then just blend out the edges with the pink eyeshadow, because it's not supposed to be too like defined. Take your pink eyeshadow and just blend it in, blend out the outer corner. That's the finished eye look. It's not hard at all. Yeah, but that's basically the look. And now I'm gonna do my face, which you guys know already, so let me just show you what I'm gonna use before I start. I'm going to use a NYX Angel primer, and Maybelline Fit Me, my Ordinary Colours foundation, full coverage foundation, and then for concealer, I'm gonna be trying out the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Rewind, wow, eraser concealer. I'll be back to show you the rest of my makeup, so I'm gonna zoom out now.
It's OVA the creator.